Cheers. This is the next episode of LH Crypto Fortnight Market Analysis. So in this issue, we will discuss the continuing madness on the crypto market, as well as new fields, well, so to say, new horizons on the stocks market investment strategies, and not only on the stocks market investment strategies. Just briefly discuss indices records, and of course, not to mention the economic calendar and some shiny holidays which are going on. Let's go. First of all, congratulations to the Southeast Asia and China in particular, from where the majority of our clients come. Happy Chinese New Year. Happy coming year of Ox. May all of you, and of us of course, be well and profitable, and may your long positions be bullish. Yeah, not to mention the George Washington's birthday, great person, and a great person's birthday. Congratulations to all living in the United States on Monday. Impulse of madness and crypto hype continues on the crypto market. Bitcoin has already reached the over 48,000 per one Bitcoin, and with a little pullback is scratching the level again. Basically, all more or less known cryptocurrencies are climbing by tens and dozens of percent every day, and just a few as an example. Ethereum has reached 1800s, Ripple is 0.6, which is not so far away from its ever record of 0.7. Finally, the Doge we all talked about is 0.08, which is, compared to its price, is just 700% in just a few weeks. So if you were lucky enough, if you were brave enough to invest in cryptocurrencies, congratulations with your win. Just a brief reminder that LH Crypto Service offers more than 250 trading instruments, with the majority of them being crypto pairs, crypto forex trading pairs, crypto metals and commodities trading pairs. So plenty of chances to win. Do not miss it. So crypto market is booming on an impulse, given just at the very beginning of 2021 there were several bright news. The main was Elon Musk announced that Tesla company found some free cash flow and bought the whole 1.5 billion of bitcoins. Well, not in one moment surely, but they did it just one by one, and at average price of around 30,000 USD. Well, they already, so that gave a great momentum to the Bitcoin, and the investment already bought itself out. But still, there are a number of critics which state that there is already a ceiling for the growth of Tesla stocks, and this just cannot go up forever. A number of less hyped companies like General Motors followed and announced their plans to invest in cryptocurrencies as well, but this is not yet decided. Still, MasterCard suddenly announced that they are planning to offer a support to some of the major cryptocurrencies in their network in this year already. Not to mention the BlackRock, which announced the support of cryptocurrencies before, and the payment services Square and PayPal, the latter still hesitating. Well, to some less bright news, according to Chain Analysis report of the crypto market development in 2020, Russia is the top country for all darknet allocated crypto users, with the United States having the second prize and the third prize going to, again, the Slavic world, Ukraine. The funniest thing is that the sell and buy volumes inside Russia, for example, and Ukraine are almost the same, which definitely points out on so-called money laundering. Well, national specifics. Well, meanwhile, it's not only the crypto market which experiences all the positive mood. New records of United States stocks indices, although many are warning about the new bubble, just like it was in the early 2000s, with low volatility and booming prices. A very exact index, a very exact sign. Dow Jones is up to 31,500. S&P's slightly over 3,900 and Nasdaq is over 14,000. Euro, supported by the firm announcements of European Central Bank leaders, is pushing high against the recent downward mood against the USD, while Mr. Powell, who's in charge of USD, remains still mostly dovish, and the stimulus package is still underway. How can they just not decide whether to give this 1.9 trillion or not to give? Shakespearean play in the middle of United States of America's capital. Well, although not all the sectors of stocks are feeling good, the hype of GameStop and the Reddit hype, so to say, is finally over, with the levels of most of those boosting stocks falling down at their ordinary level. But the recent announcement of Biden, who suddenly stated that he is on the way to the national decriminalizing of the cannabis, opened us a new opportunity for investments, which is the cannabis market. A freer company, Canopy Growth, Turley and Kronos are going up by dozens, tens and dozens % almost every week. So this is definitely the open window for your short-term investments. We are not, of course, advertising any drugs, it's just investment. But the idea for the long term is JP Morgan's, supported by the early idea of Goldman and Bank of America. Commodities market are possibly at the edge of the new super cycle of bullish mood. The first one since the bullish super cycle of 2008-2009, which finished in a sharp drop of general commodity prices. Well, they say that's high time to buy wheat and beans. Well, even if you won't win in the long term, you can at least feed your family with it. The economic calendar. Monday, February the 15th, we'll see the quarterly Japan GDP for the last quarter of the 2020, of course. Next day, Tuesday, we'll see the German economic sentiment in February, and both numbers are expected to be disappointing. Wednesday, February the 17th, we'll see the European Central Bank monetary policy statement, and we will see too. Thursday, February the 18th, we'll see the CPI in January in the European Union, as well as January building permits in the United States. Friday, we'll see existing home sales in the United States in January, and German manufacturing PMI for February and Friday as well. So, enough for today. Have the best of your weekend, have the best of your next 2 weeks ahead, but still take care, stay well, and may the profit be with you. Bye.